Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today, obviously, we have a watch unboxing here. This is a watch sent in on loan from Saltzman's. I'll leave a link in the description to their website and also their Instagram account. If you could go pay them a visit, I would appreciate it. And I really do appreciate them sending over these pieces for us to check out. This is a Breitling Endurance Pro. I have not had much experience with Breitling, so I'm looking forward to spending some time with this watch. So let's cut this open. I don't know which color they sent me. Looks like there's a couple different variations of this watch. Cutting this top open, trying not to destroy the box because I will be sending it back to them. Alright, there we go. Alright, looks like it came in a Breitling package. So yeah, this is cool. It's almost like buying the watch myself, but without the expense. Get to check it out, open it up. I'm assuming... I don't know how to open this thing. Alright, there we go. Couple of... Okay, maybe it's got snaps. Okay, there we go. I didn't want to just rip into this thing and break it. It's quite the... Oh, awesome. I was hoping it would be orange, and it is orange. So that is very nice. Orange is... Well, it's the best color, but also it's my favorite color, so orange is great. This thing is very cool looking. Yes, cool. Very cool watch. And, it's really lightweight too. It feels really light even with this cushion type thing here. This may just be a travel box. They didn't send all the paperwork and stuff, which is fine. So, yeah, very cool. Wow. Definitely looking forward to spending a little bit of time with this watch. He did mention they have a few of these in stock, so if you guys are looking for one, just hit them up on Instagram, email, whatever. I'll leave that information down below. I'm trying to I didn't research this much at all. I just looked at pictures of it, but I think this is their bright light material. Let's see if we can read the back. I'm not going to take this sticker off. Kind of a agreement they have is I won't remove any stickers, which is fine. So, see, what does that say? So yeah, let's play. Oh, so it's a bi-directional bezel. It does not have a click spring. It's just kind of a friction fit here, which makes sense because there's a compass on here. And I really don't know how to use that feature. I think you're supposed to line the hand up with the sun or something. I don't know. Okay, so it is not a screw down crown either. This thing's just turning. I don't know what I just did there. Interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna have to read. They sent me an electronic manual. I may have to read that. So let's push this button and see what happens. So we got the chronograph hand running there, and then that must be tenths of seconds. Very cool watch. Oh, so it has a pulsometer as well. Pulsation scale. I guess that makes sense. Is this in an endurance watch? So yeah, you would... How does that work with the pulsometer? I know that would be 200 beats per second. Actually, I don't really know how the pulsometer works. I'll have to look that up as well. But yeah, I'm almost positive this is the bright light material. It's a carbon composite. So it's carbon fibers in there ground up and with resin and a mold. Very cool. So there's a screw there which would be retaining the bezel. 2, 3, 4 screws. All right, let's stop it. And okay, so there is the minute timer right there at the 10 o'clock position. Definitely some AR coating on that crystal. Flat sapphire. Very cool watch. All right, let's stop it and reset it. I'll put it on my wrist and then we'll close out the video. Don't want to go on too long. Also, I noticed it has the orange and then there's black there. So let's reset it. So I wonder what this crown did when I pulled it out. I wasn't even paying attention if... Okay, it must just do a thing there, I guess. Interesting. So date down there. All right, let's put on wrist. I'm going to have to do some more research before messing around with the functions here. So let's get it on wrist and then we'll close out the video. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment below. Definitely a rubber strap. Does not smell like vanilla though. So it says endurance. Perhaps you could flip that over if you want. I don't know. Nope, looks like there's some bubble wrap material in there. Oh, also I did see that it's a 44mm watch, so it's probably going to look gigantic on my wrist, but that's okay. It's real lightweight, so I mean, I think you could probably pull it off if you have a smaller wrist. Ooh, I'm getting close to the last. I probably could cinch it down one more, but so if you have a 6.5-inch wrist, it looks like you could still use the factory strap, just barely. You know what, I'm not going to put it back. You're supposed to put it back through that part, but I'm just going to go like that for the sake of the video. All right, so there we go. Yeah, definitely a big watch, but you know, it's a chronograph. I don't mind a watch being larger if it's a chronograph, because then it's obviously easier to see the subdials. And I actually can see them pretty easily by eye here. Yeah, I'm really excited they sent the orange one. That's so cool. All right, let's zoom out and then we'll close out the video. Actually, you know what? I'll show you next to my SKX just for a size reference. So, all right, let's zoom out here. Close up my knife. Definitely a big watch, but like I said, it's really lightweight. You know, it might be under 100 grams, but I'll measure it, weigh it, and all that good stuff for the full video. Let me know what you guys think of this watch. MSRP on it, I believe, is $3,150. But yeah, very cool. So as always, thank you for taking the time. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.